Hey, my name is Braden Messer. I am an artist, author, YouTuber, and today I'm going to be the one that teaches you how to draw. To become a portrait artist is kind of challenging. It's one of the many reasons why I came up with this class and made this little mini series so that you can begin to think about drawing portraits the correct way and the simple way. Now, this is part one of a three-part mini-series that I'm making where I'm showing you how to use these methods and draw multiple portraits at different angles. So once you've watched part one, make sure you're on the lookout for part two and part three. The Loomis method and the Asaro method by themselves don't really allow for every answer to drawing portraits, but when we fuse them together, we create something completely new. And that is what you're going to learn in this class. I've broken the class down into 10 digestible lessons. First, you're going to learn how to use the reference photo and draw a basic Loomis head. Then I'm going to show you how you can begin to place the ears and the hair. Once we've placed the hair, I'm then going to show you how to use the Asaro method and begin to draw the facial features. Each lesson is going to focus on specific facial feature drawing and placement. As we progress through the class and all the facial features have been placed, I'm then going to show you how we can begin to hatch and cross-hatch certain planes of the face so that we can introduce volume to the drawing. Of course, we're going to mess around with that a little bit, lowering values in specific places and keeping mid and high values where they need to be so that we create the most dynamic portrait sketch possible. So that's pretty much it. Now, I will say that if you find yourself enjoying this class, I have recently come out with a new book, Drawing the Portrait, Step-by-Step Lessons for Mastering Classic Techniques for Beginners, where I have broken down the Loomis method and the Asaro method in the exact same way as this class, only of course it's in book form. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in picking up for yourself, for your own library, I have an Amazon affiliate link in the description of the class, right there. Now, in order for you to get the most out of this class, what I would recommend is go through the class first and just watch it and really absorb everything that you possibly can. Then once you've gone through and watched it once, go back through and draw your project. Once you have your project, make sure that you upload it so that I can give you my feedback on it. Then of course, leave your review. I always love to see what you guys have to say about the class and the kind of value that you actually get out of it. By doing that, by uploading your project and leaving your review, your project gets featured in my monthly newsletter, which I come out with the first half of every single month. So it's a great way to get not only your name, but your art out there in the community as well. That's the short and sweet of what to expect, and I hope to see you in class.